We want to divide 525 by 5 using the Euclidean division, where we have a remainder at the end of the division. It may be 0, but it should be smaller than the divisor here, which is 5. Here we have the dividend is 525, the divisor so is 5. I wrote previously the multiplication table of 5, where I will use it here in the Euclidean division. We will proceed. First we will take from the left, we start by the 5. I ask myself, what is the number that I multiply by 5 and gives me 5 or less? I look here. I have 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. I have exactly the same number as 5, this 5 here. So I will choose this one. 5 times 1 equal 5. So I will write this number, which is 1, in the quotient space here. I put here the sign times, and above the equal sign, I will show you later why I wrote them. Now I continue. 1 times 5 is 5. I write the answer just below where I started here, under 5. I now subtract them. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. Drop down, now 2. 2 is less than 5, but we will proceed also. What is the number that I multiply by 5 and gives me 2 or less? I have only this one here. 5 times 0 is 0, where 0, this 0 is less than 2. So I will choose this 0 to put it in the quotient here. So 0. 0 times 5 is 0. And also I subtract 2 minus 0. 0 is under 2 here. And not under 0, under 2. We subtract from the right. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now we will drop down the 5. We get 25, which is greater than 5. Now, what is the number that I multiply by 5 and gives me 25 or less? So 25, I search here in the products for 25 or less. I have these two equations here, or products. I have 20 and 25. Of course, I will choose 25. I cannot choose this 30 because it's greater than 25. I will choose 25. If I don't have 25, I have, for example, 26. Also, I will not choose it. I will choose 20, for example, if I have 26. Now I have the exact number as I want, so I will choose this one. 5 times 5 is 25. This 5, this one, I will write it above in the quotient here. Now 5 times 5 is 25. I will write it 2 under 2 and 5 under 5 and subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 2 minus 2, 0. We don't have any number here, any integer above in the dividend, so the division has ended. The remainder here is 0, so this is the remainder. We have no remainder, it's 0. So this is the divisor, this is the quotient, and finally this is the dividend. Now, if we have something, any number, let's say 3 or 2 as a remainder, we will add it here in the Euclidean equation, where I will write it here. I will start. The Euclidean equation is written as dividend equal divisor times quotient plus remainder. I will write it here. So dividend equal divisor times, here is the times, here is the equal that I wrote it here, times quotient plus the remainder. I will put now the numbers where I have here 525 equal 5 times 105 plus 0. I can cancel it. This is the Euclidean equation.